a trip to Wonderland. Swim in the beach, lay in the sand. Anywhere you want, go tell me, man. This is a Caribbean dream. Welcome to the Virgin Islands. It's like one in a million. It's a Caribbean dream. Welcome to the Virgin Islands. It's like one in a million. It's a Caribbean dream.
What's up? How you guys doing? Jay Lamb and Corey Tollefson.
Welcome. Hey, Jordan. Yeah, got all you guys.
Random guys that grabbed our shit.
Yeah.
And you're like, take it.
Yeah. Oh, this doesn't suck. Wow.
See ya. Bye.
Look at this guy.
What up? Talk to the mic.
Welcome.
Mr. Corey, good morning. How you doing?
How are you, man?
They led finance to these things. Can you believe that, Mark? Mr. Henry? Tiff, what's up, girl? How are you?
I'm so glad you made it.
How are you?
Wait till you hear who got us married. Then you'd be like, oh my god.
Yeah,
How does that go again?
Oh my god.
Perfect.
So that's how we started talking.
Looks like a lively party here. What did I do to you, Roy?
Should we Titanic?
Yeah, let's Titanic. Here, I'll do it.
Epstein's Island. Never thought I'd go to Epstein's Island, and I'm not going. But it's there.
Yes.
Can I push you in now or later?
You push me in now or later?
Do it.
You pushed me in last year. Yaya's gonna tell us what we have here. What is this, Ya?
So what you have here is an American institution, world famous pizza boat in the middle of the sea.
Wow. Oh, I can smell it. It smells like good pie.
Pizza pie.
Pizza pie.
What the fuck's a pizza pie?
You don't know what a pie is?
I don't know what a pizza is. It's a pizza pie.
That's what we call it, pizza pie.
But it's like a pizza.
Yeah, but we call it a pie. That's what the Italians say. Yeah, I want some pie, man.
Well, you have apple pie. What the fuck's a pizza
It's
pie?
a pizza pie. Jillian, what do you call pizza? Pizza pie, right?
Pie.
See, what's wrong with this guy?
I don't understand the pie symbol.
He doesn't understand.
We eat proper food, man. We don't eat your fucking condensed bullshit, processed crap. We eat proper food.
Like a
Shawarma.
good guy. I can't wait to throw him in.
Christmas Cove, our snorkel stop today. Pizza pie over there. They're cooking up our pizzas. The island itself is Great St. James. The body of water Christmas Cove got its name because Christopher Columbus spent his first Christmas in the New World right here. It was his second voyage he cruised on through, falsely decided the Virgin Islands had never been inhabited, named this the Virgin Islands, and kept on going. So what we have here is throughout the bay is fairly shallow, in the 15, maybe 20 foot of water. It gets shallower as you get closer to shore. The light colors here will be sand, the dark colors will be grass. Sand is a prime spot for things like starfish, stingrays, conchs, hermit crabs, and the like.
We are outside Christmas Cove, which was founded by Christopher Columbus and the Virgin Islands. And then guess who ultimately owned this later? Jeffrey Epstein. You believe that? Who'd have thunk it? Scotty?
Yeah, ready?
Push her.
Shove me.
Yeah, shove her as hard as... Yes. That's a good one. How's it feel?
Great.
It's good water?
Now you have to bring your fins on and everything on.
Nice! God, you look super cute. You look like Borat. That's a little tight.
That's okay. There you go. That's okay.
Here.
I know you. Come on, Corey. Let me take one of you, bro.
No, I gotta get ready. We're jumping in. Ready?
Okay.
Come on. Ready?
Definitely not.
3,
2,
2,
1.
Look out!
Boy, Virgin Islands nice, so nice. So, I'm so proud to be from the VI, a place of mystery like the African side, yeah. St. Thomas and St. John and St. Dry, nothing can come between us but the waters that divide, yeah. Even though we're just a few square miles, I travel around the world with Virgin Islands pride, yeah. A lot of people still going through strife, and still we live a joyful life. That's why the place nice, so nice, so nice. Sweet, sweet St. Thomas nice, so nice, so nice. St. Cry full of pure vibes, so nice, so nice. St. John
Christmas Cove. Apparently Christopher Columbus spent his first Christmas there after discovering America.
so much to do, yet so much to prove. Virgin Island teachers never raise no fool. Mama sent me school. When it's difficult, you still are push through. No matter what the blessings of the continue. We are a people of great value. That's why we stick together like tamarind stew. Remember. Feeling alive from my plane as a ride. Bright yellow sun in the sky. Beautiful beaches in my eyes.
Right up in my face.
All that I need, Caribbean dream. When you're in paradise, it feels like heaven, baby. Welcome to the Virgin Islands. It's like one in a million. It's a Caribbean.
Here comes Mr. Rico.
dream. Welcome to the Virgin Islands. It's like one in a million. It's a Caribbean dream.
All right, we're checking out a shipwreck here and the Virgin Islands.
It's a Caribbean dream. It's paradise. It's a Caribbean dream. coconut water catch a summertime. If a carnival play my steel pan, 10 sleepless nights, Friday and Jamban.
What a gorgeous day on this boat. Amazing. I just ran into the nice video. Hi, Nick. Is that Nick? Yay. Turtle. All right, check this out. You don't see this every day. I don't want to get attacked by these ancient prehistoric Jurassic Park animals. Okay, please don't eat meat. Okay, that's cool. They were super cool.
Tú eres calor, calor, calor. Como fuego, fuego, fuego.
So you be ready.
From one goat to the other goat.
Color is from the reflection of the sun and sand.
My dad's name's
The
Mel.
brown
Mel.
spots are the coral
Best name
reef.
ever.
The darker blue is
We
the
got Mel
depth
in the
of
house.
grass. And that's why we have those two different colors.
According to National Geographic, this is the 7th best beach in the world. And we're here today. It's pretty amazing. I've never seen water this clear against sandy beach before in my life. This is crazy. This is like Pirates of the Caribbean. I've never seen sand and turquoise water like this in my life. My God, this water is amazing. This is so freaking cool. This water is so good, but so cold.
It's a Caribbean dream. It's a Caribbean dream. I'm feeling alive. From my plane has arrived. Bright yellow sun in the sky. Blue beautiful beaches in my eyes. You are all that I need. My Caribbean dream. When you're in paradise, it feels like heaven, baby. Welcome to the Virgin Islands. It's like one in a million. It's a Caribbean dream. Welcome to the Virgin Islands. It's like one in a million. It's a Caribbean dream. It's a Caribbean dream.
Now see why this is the 7th best beach in the world. This place is crazy. This water is amazing. The rocks are amazing. The fish are amazing. Hope you're enjoying this one. This one's a classic. This is how they eloquently say does not suck.
So over there is an old house. Actually, it was a prostitution house for pirates. And they named the island Lavongo. And that's a shorthand or longhand for love and go. Lavongo. The island of Lavongo. In the 1600s used to have places for pirates to go. Woo!
All right.
I say whiskey, like whiskey.
Corey, this is a special thank you from Devon. Honey, let's get this count.
Oh, it certainly is.
We just want to say thank you so much for a wonderful time, and thank you for nominating me. Hopefully you don't see this video until you can have an edit. We appreciate it. I really appreciate it so much. And again, thank you so much for a good time. Thank you.
All right.
All right, we just slayed another great event here in St. Thomas, the U.S. Virgin Islands. And now it's old school, man. This is like the 1970s. We get to jump on a plane. We have to walk to it. It's pretty awesome. Enjoy the show.